Now day 2 of working on Venus.
Engine pulling.
Basically all that's holding the fucking engine in is the transmission.
Tranny mounts, drive shaft, and engine mounts. That's it.
So we're gonna have to be working under the car now, which we don't know if that's easy or hard. Probably hard. Alright, so I'm probably gonna time-lapse more footage of us ripping this out because if I get into the nitty-gritty, this will probably be like a 30-part series of just pulling out the engine.
That's what people want to see.
Like a Joe Rogan podcast, but working on a Jaguar, so it's just swearing the whole time.
Yeah. That's why I love it. Everything's like aircraft looking on this car.
I know.
Because it's got a frame. Like this isn't like an aircraft frame.
It's got a propeller.
It's got a bonnet that's removable, and then it's just a freaking structural frame. It's literally an aircraft. Like this is how aircraft look.
We're now sawzalling off the exhaust. The drive shaft's kind of covered by the old exhaust system, and the old exhaust system looks like crap. Looks really bad. That is the old exhaust system. As you can see, it is all covered in rust. And can't really tell what it is either. There's also some other nice little surprises right here. But yeah, definitely do not want any of this back in the car when we're done, so it's gonna get cut out right now so we can get to the drive shaft and pull out the transmission.
Hanger on your side? There's a hanger on my side.
There's one right here, but it's already cut. That's one. I think it's through.
Huh?
I think it's through. Ooh. Nice.
Okay. That's that.
That is one rusty ass fucking pipe. What the fuck is this?
What the fuck? Look at it. They're like hollow
Missing
inside,
one.
yeah, and they're just broken up. Fucking disgusting.
That's terrible.
Damn. Alright. Well, that's one.
Tell me about the other one.
This is just sort of hitting right here. Yeah, there we go. Nice.
Tiny ass mufflers.
Oh yeah, just glass bags.
Those will look good once they're sandblasted and powder coated though. Alright, so it's been about a year and a half since we did all of that. I lost the footage taking out the drive shaft, so here's some footage of us driving in our Weber Swap 260Z. I do have more footage taking out the engine. I should hopefully have that up soon.
Turn around here. That's fine, yeah. As we max brake slowly coast to a stop.
What are they doing?
I have no idea.
Picking up roads. It does sound amazing now.